Hello there. Oh, you are watching this? Well, too bad, because there is something I gotta show you. My name is McHorse, and welcome to Aperture sneak peek video. In this video, I'll show you something really cool that could change the quality of Minecraft machinimas, and Minecraft roleplays too. And this is manual focus. Yes, you heard it right. Now with some work, you can set up a focus point, and with next update of Aperture, you'll be able to animate it as well. So, how does it work? The trick here is to modify the shader pack to allow setting the focus point using the brightness slider. The credit for discovering this goes to Juba. He fiddles a lot with shader packs and makes magnificent screenshots. And then, you can either record separate clips with different focus points and cut or fade these clips, or with Aperture 1.4.2, you would be able to use new feature in Aperture to animate brightness option with keyframes. You can use Juba's tutorial to edit the shader pack on my Discord server. However, if you find it difficult, here is an unedited footage of me editing the shader pack using his tutorial. If you know how to program shaders, you can bring this technique to another level by attaching the brightness option to any option of a shader pack. Sadly, you can attach it only to one option at a time. Once the shader is edited, now you can use it to change the focus with brightness slider or animate it with Aperture. Now you can go back to finishing the video, haha. Hopefully, you found this video both entertaining and educational. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.